Ooh, look at the pretty, pretty birdies. I had to move the bird feeder. The two screws broke off that red bracket I had on the bird house. Little squirrel took up residence in there. He was hauling arborvitae leaves up into there. He was crawling. He was crawling on top of that. It was only held in with a couple non-galvanized screws or cabinet screws, so they finally rusted off. And his weight came home from work one day, and the birdhouse was on the ground, or the bird feeder was on the ground. So it's hanging up on the deck up there right now. And we got little birdies out here enjoying a little snack. Pretty birdies. Pretty, pretty birdies. And we're up in the feeder. Yep. But I wanted to share that with you. You can see that there's that bracket. That where it fell off the bird house back there, but the squirrel took up residence in there, a little baby squirrel. No bird. Have a good Friday, everybody. Take care.